Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and today I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be really interesting and also it's going to be helpful at the same time. So in today's video I'm going to talk about a very common concern, especially for girls and women. This concern is really important and we face it in our day-to-day life. So the thing that I'm talking about is hair fall. So mostly all of us suffer from hair fall because I have been having a lot of hair fall since last many years, and especially since the past 4 to 5 months my hair fall was insane. I lost a lot of volume of my hair. If you see my previous video, you'll get to know my hair were really thick. So in today's video I have a really cool solution for all of you guys who are suffering from hair fall. Now by hair fall I don't only mean that it's only for women. Even if you are a male who's facing these issues, you can definitely use the solution which I'm going to talk about in today's video. So in today's video I'm going to talk about a product. Again, it's a natural product. As I always say, when you have natural alternatives, why to go for artificial? So in today's video I'm going to talk about PLIX DHT Blocker. Yes, so a lot of you might not be familiar with this, so let me tell you what this actually is. Okay, so now first of all let me just tell you about what DHT actually is and how this is going to help you in reducing your hair fall and further promoting more hair growth. So DHT is derived from testosterone. Now testosterone is a hormone which is present in both male as well as female. You might have heard that testosterone is present only in male, but that's not true. It's present in both males and females. However, the level of the hormone varies according to the gender, and also in females testosterone gets converted into estrogen. Now DHT is a derivative of testosterone, and once it is freely flowing into your blood, it has the capability of linking to the receptors of your hair follicles right inside your scalp. Now when DHT links to the receptors of hair follicles, it has the capability that it shrinks your hair. Now when the amount of DHT increases in your body, what happens is you will witness a lot of hair fall. Also your hair becomes thinner, that's hair thinning, and your follicle also starts shrinking, the hair follicles. So that is the reason why you might have witnessed more hair fall. So in order to have reduction in your hair fall and to have more hair growth, all you need is DHT blocker. So that is what this product is about. It's the DHT blocker, but it's all natural. It has no artificial ingredients. It is made up of natural items. So that's why it's also known as whole food DHT blocker. Now let me just tell you about this product and the ingredients so that you can know it's all natural. So let's have a look at all the natural ingredients. So the DHT blocker from PLIX contains pumpkin seeds. It also has L-lysine, green tea extract, grapeseed extract, amino acids, biotin, stinging nettle. Now all these ingredients are natural, so let me explain you what role each ingredient plays in your blood circulation. The main ingredient is pumpkin seed. Now pumpkin seed also acts as natural DHT blocker. Now along with pumpkin seed, it also has many other ingredients such as grapeseed extract, which helps in promoting hair growth. It also has green tea, which helps in improving your blood circulation. It has stinging nettle, which helps in preventing follicle shrinking. It also has many amino acids like L-lysine, which also helps in rebuilding your keratin, and it will improve the quality of your skin and hair. Apart from all this, it also has biotin, which is known as hair vitamin, and it is most important element for your hair growth. All these ingredients, it offers clean and plant-based nutrition because this has no added sugar, no GMO, no soy, and no gluten, which means it is 100% vegan. Now let me tell you how you can consume this tablet. You can consume 2 tablets daily for this, and you can consume it with water. I've been using this since quite a few times now, and I have been seeing visible results. Now by that I don't mean that your hair fall will stop suddenly. All you need to do is you need to be consistent. If you are consuming this, you can consume it for some 2 to 3 months in order to see visible results. because no ingredient in this world will help you to stop your hair fall suddenly overnight, so that doesn't happen. Also, whenever you order any product from PLIX, you'll be getting a free diet plan along with the product, so you can always take the benefit of that. So I hope this video would be helpful to you. So yeah, that was all about today's video. Link of all the products in the description. All about today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.